na mheshimiwa wangu Mwakoria Gatondo North.
Independent anybody else mwenye a police service. And saying a police service,
OCPD with a unit,
especially this time, it's all over the country, but Nikio.
Na nä mambo beautiful na nä mona wa mũtumia wothe koguo nĩguo tũreka mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na koguo tũtagũtema.
We know currently we are having a challenge as a nation where we are having our health workers going on strike, but because the national government cannot dictate to the governors on what to do, so we have some counties that have covered their health workers, others have not covered them. We even saw amongst the universities, some universities are actually giving some allowances to their doctors, others are not, because there is no uniformity. And so our plea is that we support BBI because the Health Service Commission becomes a reality, and the whole confusion that we have here is going to be sorted. But I also request our CS Mutahi Kagwe, the Council of Governor Chair, and also the unions to just sit together, because this is a time for celebration. We're going for Christmas, but we have seen some countries where they have not, and they have bigger financial power. They even have better facilities than ourselves, but they have not managed really to be able to fight this COVID. As we wait for the vaccine, we would request our people just to take care, and I'm praying that there is going to be a solution. As a chair of Committee on Health, we already gave some resolutions. We said the PPEs to be removed from KEMSA and given to the public facilities, and so today no Kenyans should be charged the PPE when they go to any public facility. Secondly, we have also requested that the solution can be found. There were things that we said within 7 days, within 14 days, those things that were possible. We want to really remind the ministry to actually actualize them. For the ones for the governor, actualize them. And then the ones that can wait, whether it's about the budgeting process that we need to do in parliament, we are ready to do so. But the bottom line, when they fight, Kenyans are the ones who are going to suffer. And I pray that they're going to have a solution and they can listen to each other.